In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping zones in Shopify. Shipping zones are what tell Shopify where you're willing to ship and how much you want to charge customers in those areas. Getting this right helps you avoid undercharging for shipping and makes checkout clearer for your customers. So let's walk through it step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look towards the lower left-hand corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all the configuration options for your store. On the settings page, look at the menu on the left side and find shipping and delivery, then click on it. This section controls how shipping is set up across your store. At the top of the shipping and delivery page, you'll see a card labeled shipping. Inside that card, look for the area that says general shipping rates and click on it. This is your main or general shipping profile, and it usually applies to most of your products unless you've created special profiles. You'll now see the general profile, including any existing shipping zones you already have. Scroll down until you find the shipping zone section. To create a new one, click Add Shipping Zone in the top right corner of that list. A pop-up window will appear. Here you can enter a zone name. Your customers won't see this name. It's just for your internal reference. You might use something like domestic, international, or a region name such as Asia. You can also leave it blank if you prefer, but naming zones can help you stay organized as your store grows. After naming the zone, select the countries or regions you want to include in this zone from the list provided. When you're done choosing locations, click Done at the bottom right of the pop-up. Now, under your newly created shipping zone, click Add Rate. Another pop-up will appear. Here, you decide how shipping rates will be calculated. Under rate type, you can choose either a flat rate or use a carrier or app to calculate rates automatically. If you choose the carrier or app option, you usually don't need to configure anything else in this pop-up. For a flat rate, fill in the custom rate name, such as standard shipping. You can also add a delivery description, like an estimated delivery window, but this is optional. Then set the shipping price and choose the appropriate currency, if that option is available to you. If you want more control, click Add Conditions under the price. This lets you make the rate depend on either the total item weight or the order price. For weight-based conditions, set the minimum and maximum weight this rate should apply to. For price-based conditions, set the minimum and maximum order value. This is useful if you want things like free shipping over a certain amount or different pricing for heavy orders. When everything looks right, click Done at the bottom right. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look near the top of the page, close to the search bar, and click Save. Shopify won't apply your new shipping zones and rates until you do this, and that's it. You've set up a shipping zone in Shopify, defined where you ship to, and how much you charge customers in that zone.